So we're going to take a look at a Sea Ray SDX 290. So nice big swim platform on this boat. It is full beam, so it does make it very easy when you're pulled up next to a dock or pier to step right out off the side of the boat up onto the dock, as opposed to others that kind of come in, you got to step over that gap. Flip over swim platform. This is a manual because it is an SDX. Nice wide seating section back here on the back, so if you're watching kids swim around the back of the boat, great place to hang out. Moving into the boat, it does have a nice walk-through transom. There is a remote stereo back here, so you can control the speakers from the inside of the boat back here. Wet locker as you walk in, as well as a sprayer. And because Sea Rays are made for saltwater use also, it does have a nice step to get you up out of the boat if you're at a dock that's a little higher. Nice storage underneath all of your seats, all the way around. Batteries are located there. It gives you very good access to get to them. If you ever have to jump your batteries or switch them out, real easy access. Over here at the wet bar area, there is an electric Kenyan grill, sink, as well as a nice refrigerator. Storage built in, and because there is an inverter on board, you do have the ability to have outlet power here as well. Nice big cockpit. Flipping backrest, so if you're just hanging out on the water and you want to spend all the time in the cockpit, flip the seats this way. That way you got a nice big wide entertaining area here. Both seats do have flip up bolsters. And moving up to the helm, digital throttle. The boat did come equipped with active trim, so your tilt and trim is going to be done automatically for you while you're underway. We do have a nice Simrad system built into the dash. Right now, it's set up to be a chart plotter for you. It is pinch to zoom, which is nice. Makes it very intuitive and very easy to operate. This one was ordered with a upgraded stereo, so it will be a Rockford Fosgate head unit, as well as Rockford Fosgate speakers and a subwoofer and amp. The boat is yacht certified, so you'll notice there is no weight placard on the boat. As long as you have enough room for everyone to be seated while the boat's underway, it is up to the captain's discretion as to how many people you can have. Flushing head with pump out, so no mess, no fuss bathroom on board. And a absolutely huge bow on this boat. So with the filler cushions in, there is plenty of room for all the kids up front, or most of the adults as well. Give you an idea, I can't even touch the front, and I'm 6'2", so there's lots of room up front. Also, the boat was ordered with the windlass, so you don't have to mess with your anchor. It is, of course, push button controlled. This boat also came equipped with a water sports tower, and as well as Rockford Fosgate speakers. There is also an in-floor ski locker in the front, as well as one in the center of the boat. So really nice boat. I demoed this boat last weekend. It rides really well, and the people absolutely loved it enough that they ended up delivering one. So if you have any questions about this or any of the other boats we have online, pick up the phone and give us a call at 972-436-9979. We look forward to talking to you soon.